just for men. What's up everyone? Welcome back to TeamKLoWhat. Today I'm actually doing a video on how to color your beard. For those of you who don't think I grow a beard in your face, I decided to get this product called Just for Men to actually get a darker shade, because some of us don't grow a lot of beard and we have either spots or light color spots, and I figured why not try this little thing here. I have never colored my beard or my hair. Most people think I color my hair, but I don't. All right, so a little bit about this product. It says it eliminates grays within 5 minutes. It gives you a fuller, thicker looking beard. So let's see if it actually gives me that fuller black look that I'm looking for. I actually took the M60, which is the jet black color for my hair, because I have jet black hair. It looks like it's very simple. Brush in, leave it in for 5 minutes, and shampoo it out. So that's what we're gonna do today. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so first things first, let's see what it has inside. We actually have the colors, color developer, and this is the base. This is the brush that we use to brush our beard with. The little plate where you actually put all the condiments. I don't know, can I say condiments? Whatever, you put all the color in the base in there and you mix them up. These are the gloves you use to mix the product with. And we have the booklet here that teaches you how to mix it up together. Instructions are pretty simple. Right, so now what we're gonna do is first, we're gonna put on the gloves. Safety first, all right? Now that we have our gloves on, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour one line. It says to do one line on each side. One line here. We take the other and we do another line like this, all right? So we make 2 lines. Now we're finished with that. We're actually gonna mix the product together like this. Make sure it's nice and blended. All right. Looks like we have it mixed together. All nice, good. So we're actually gonna follow the recommendations, and we're gonna put a little bit of Vaseline around the edge of the beard to make sure that we don't get a rash. I'm not sure if it is, but again, this is my first time doing it. Let's do this. All right guys, now that we have the product already mixed in, as you can see here, we're just gonna sort of apply it in our beard and see how it goes. Basically, we take it with our brush. It looks something like this. And we're gonna be brushing our beards off like this. Nice and smooth. I don't normally drink beer, but when I do, I prefer Dos Equis. I feel like I'm gonna look like Antonio Banderas and the Dos Equis guy. Very simple to do. Just kind of brush it down. Brush down on the beard. Make sure you get all the areas so it'll start looking nice in color. Don't forget to get your mustache in case if you have white hairs on your mustache. I hope it fills in some of those areas that I don't grow hair in. For all you guys out there who thought that I never grow hair in your face, I grow hair. It's just that I shave it. It looks kind of... Whoa! Holy mama! What is going on here? Uh-oh. All right, guys, this looks like it's starting to work fast. Whoa. Who you talking to? Who you talking to? Nobody mess with Tony Montana, okay? So it looks like I'm done here. We're gonna take a timer now. We're gonna leave it on for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna wash it off. And then once it's done, I'll show you the final results. I'll see you in 5 minutes. All right, guys, the moment of truth is here. My girlfriend, I actually called her in to take a look and to tell me what she thinks. I want you guys to experience it at the same time. Are you ready to see the results?
Yeah!
3, 2, wait, I gotta fix my hair.
What?
1, ta-da! Oh, yeah!
I'm a 20-year-old donate.
Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, the product actually works.
You're like Paul Bunyan.
Paul Bunyan. All right. Oh, I didn't have a lot of hair, but the product does look like it works. You know, you have to make sure you keep it within the hair because you can get a little stain. But this stain looks like it's gonna go away in a couple of days. It actually does look fuller and fuller, darker in. The hair looks nice. I've actually shampooed it. Recommendation is to shampoo it off. What do you guys think? So if you think that the beard looks good, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. What do you think, babe?
Wow, it looks cool though. It looks good.
Stop it, honey. Stop it, honey. We're on camera. Stop it, honey. Honey, stop it. All right, well, sorry about that. Yeah, it actually,
It does look fuller.
You know,
It worked, yeah.
it does work. It looks full. So it looks good.
God.
One thing that I want to say is, since I've only used a little bit and the tubes are still full, you can actually reuse this, but this looks like it's gonna last me a few months. It's actually pretty good. It worked. I feel like a new man.
A few moments later.
It's been 24 hours since I actually dyed my beard complete black again. The reason why I wanted to give you this perspective is because yesterday I had a lot of black, dye on the face, but now 24 hours later I want to show you it actually works. It does a nice job of coloring your beard, maintaining it. You see now, looks nice and luscious. It looks pretty good. The only thing that this thing didn't get rid of is my papa face. Okay, this potato, I would love for this to just go away, but it didn't take it. Full disclosure, this is my first time ever doing this. For those of you who thought that I've done this before, or with my hair, I've never done it. I don't do that kind of stuff. If you guys are thinking about doing this, I recommend you do it, let's say on a Friday afternoon, Friday night, where you have the weekend, right? You have Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night to kind of let the dye settle into the hair, and then any other residue that you have in your face to kind of clear away as you wash it off. You're brand spanking new. You're looking like Drake. Call me on the cell phone when I can be my love. Alright guys, so this has been the Just for Men mustache and beard coloring treatment. It works. Thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a notification bell on so you get notified every time we drop a new video. Signing off without Alex today, TeamKLoWhat.